Hi there, welcome. This is Josh Heckenorf, part of the Grandview Art Department. This video is going to show you how to scan a document, whether it's a drawing or a painting or a little doodle or something from your sketchbook, how to make it into a digital file using the scanner here we have at Grandview. If I back up here is the scanner connected to the iMac. If you're trying to find out where they are in the classroom, they're underneath the flag in U116. You open it up and you'll notice that there's going to be a glass plate. And the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you wipe this down of any debris or dust that may have formed. So I just use one of the Microsoft cloths that I have on hand next to the scanner. And then you're going to take a notice of the markings that you find on the scanner bed. There's a ruler, tells you some sizes, but the main thing I'm looking at is that top left corner. I want to make sure I line up my drawing or whatever I'm trying to have scanned to the top corner. So I put my drawing face down, line it up to that mark, and then I close the scanner bed. The scanner is now ready to be used with the computer. I will get a screenshot starting to record the next steps. So here we are on the computer side of things. The software program we're going to use to do our scanning is called Image Capture. You'll find that in the right side of the dock, in the lower right of the screen. So I can click on that, and that will open up Image Capture. The device that we're using is the Epson. It should pop up over there. And what we want to see now is Show Details. So I click on Show Details. We'll hear the scanner start up, and it will do an overview scan. Once I've got my overview scan, I can look at some of my settings over here. I want to make sure everything's set up correctly before I actually scan and save my work. I'm going to go to the kind. I always like to keep it as color because I can change that later. Resolution, you have a few different settings. 300 dots per inch is the desired resolution to be set at. When you have this check marked, use custom size. It allows you to click on it, click on the handles, pull them, drag them around. And the key is you kind of want to do a tight crop so you're not scanning too much white space. Rotation's fine. Auto selection I just leave as is. Go to Scan to Desktop. That is the destination I'm going to save my file. And the name of this file, I'm going to say Student Drawing 2. Format, keep it as a JPEG, but you do have other options such as PDF or PNGs. Image correction, I keep all of this set as none because I want to use Photoshop or some other image editing program to do the image editing rather than using image capture. Once everything is set up the way I want it, I go ahead and I click Scan. You'll hear the scanner work one more time, tells you that it's saving the image, and now the image will pop up on the desktop. If I double click on that, it should open up and we can see a preview, a larger preview of what we just scanned. So now you know how to use the Epson scanner in the graphic design room, along with using image capture to take one of your drawings or documents and scan them and make them into a digital file. Keep creating and good luck.